History has witnessed many atrocities, some committed with the sword, some with the gun, and some in the name of knowledge. Today I will write about such a story, one carried out in the name of science, or more accurately, under the guise of a scientific experiment. The year was 1920. A prominent so-called psychologist in America, John B. Watson, along with his colleague Rosalie Rayner, decided to conduct an experiment that was not only inhumane, but the very height of cruelty. Their goal was to prove that fear is an emotion that can be artificially induced in a human being. The victim of this cruelty was a 9-month-old innocent child, given the pseudonym Little Albert. Watson began testing various objects on this small child: a burning newspaper, a monkey, a rabbit, a white rat, a mask, and even his own hair. The child showed no fear of anything. In fact, he reached out towards some of the objects as if trying to play. The innocent soul had no idea that these oppressors were playing a sinister game with him. Then the true game of horror began. Whenever the white rat was presented to the child, Watson would strike a steel bar loudly with a hammer. That piercing sound echoed in the innocent child's ears like a doomsday cry. Terrified, the baby would start to cry. This process was repeated many times. Eventually, the child began to cry at the mere sight of the white rat, even when no sound was made. This fear became so deeply embedded in his heart that he grew terrified of cotton balls, white rabbits, and even a Santa Claus mask, simply because they all reminded him of that white rat. Watson named this process classical conditioning. With great arrogance, he recorded his notes.